Every year, thousands of people race down this road, chasing the perfect autumn vibe in one famous town, Hallstatt. But they are all driving past one of my favorite places, Lake Traunsee. And today my local friend promised to show me a secret, a path that only local knows. So our mission became a true adventure hike, embracing the rain to find a mysterious farm lost in the autumn forest, if we can even see it through the fog. Most people on this road are heading to famous Hallstatt, but they're about to drive right past a hidden gem. We are taking an early exit. While this spot is an easy 2.5 hours trip from Vienna, for us it's just 20 minutes from our autumn holiday home. So we arrived to our base camp, parking, and here our journey starts. It's on the way to Hallstatt. Nobody knows this place, but thanks to my friend who lives here, we figured out this place. He promised us some nice adventure, but I'm not really sure. Nobody comes here, nobody really stays here. We don't have too many people. Maybe it's just a scam, just another road. We will figure it out. Even more, he promised that we will see some animal farm. I don't know if the farm is abandoned or not. Will we see some animals or just leftovers of the farm? So this is a journey and this is the quest. We got an idea to make a shortcut. So let's see. Shortcut is here. Let's try this out. It's a little bit steep, but yeah, let's see if we can make it from here. It's a bit tough, a bit steep, so the road is ended, and yeah, where to go? So I think my friend is pranking me now. This is what he wants me to do, to go up. Let me try. Okay, let's see. Fancy road. Yeah, only locals can do this. So we finally got here, the first hütte. Nobody lives here. We really have some animals here. Okay, so it is definitely not abandoned. Our first welcome, ponies. How lovely. But wait, oh, there are more, a lot more. Honestly, I don't even know the names of some of these. They look almost exotic. This is what makes this farm so special. It is not a polished zoo. It's wild, it's natural, it is just real. And that's exactly what we are looking for. Look at this amazing view. You can see so many stuff here. The beautiful hills, beautiful forest, beautiful colors, mountains. It's just incredible. Is it better than Hallstatt? Yeah, Hallstatt is fancy, famous, and very, very well known, but this place is just a pearl of nature. The place is absolutely outstanding. It's lost in the middle of hills next to the beautiful mountain, which in the end of October is already partly covered with snow. So here what makes this different from Hallstatt: no crowds, no tourist buses, no 15 euro parking. Just 2.5-hour drive from Vienna, a local friend's tip, and a willingness to walk uphill after the rain. This is what I mean by Vienna nearby. Places that locals know, that don't need Instagram fame to be special. Just real place. Just real Austria, real Alps. So the journey is over. We're coming to the place where we start from. Will you take this journey instead of fancy Hallstatt trip? Tell me in the comments, please. And subscribe to this channel, because this is exactly what is this channel about the outreach from Vienna. Not so far away, but really nice and lovely. I hope you like it.